Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the password of your BlueSky account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to go to your BlueSky application on your device. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. From there, you need to go to Settings. So once you tap on Settings, the next thing you need to do is to go to Accounts. From Accounts, as you can see, you will find the option Password. So you need to tap on the password. So guys, as you can see, they say change a password. So they will send you a code to verify that it is your account. So you need to just tap on Request Code. And here you need to enter the code. And you need to enter the new password. So the code will be sent to your email that you provided while you were creating an account. That email will receive the code. You need to enter it here. You need to enter your new password and then tap on Next. And your password will be changed on BlueSky application. So guys, this is all it takes to change your password on BlueSky application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.